The paintings.
The paintings are so good. I mean, I'm really impressed by these popsicle sticks which you use.
Oh,
for
this
the
one.
lamps. Yeah, it's really nice.
Nice.
It looks really good.
How is it? Good? Yeah? And the bridge is some ice cream stick.
Ice cream sticks, yeah, it's nice.
Nice?
Nice.
Thank you. Thank you. Your name?
Kirtana. Kirtana.
Kirtanam. Which standard?
12th finish.
Oh, 12. Waiting for result. Okay. Okay. Thank you. And in advance, you will surely pass with good marks. Thank you very much.
And after 50, when I was 58, I got one as a gift. And today, because of Ansel and Sridharan, I'm here. But my cousin told me there's an railway exhibition. So last year, I came just to see this. I saw that I met Sridharan. Sridharan is just here. And I'm here today.
Because of the crowd, I had to place a barricade now here. See the crowd here now. Lot of people here. Full of crowd here now. Today is Saturday, so everyone has come to see. I had to put a barricade, otherwise people were touching the paintings and it may fall. Friends, we have been called by ICF and the Chennai Rail Museum, and they are giving us some mementos here to the exhibitors. And this is a beautiful hall with a lot of artwork. You feel that there are beautiful paintings here. So it's complete like an art gallery. So in a rail museum, you have an art gallery with a lot of artworks here. It looks, it's a beautiful art gallery. See the artwork here with the Vande Bharat. And I loved this most. See the beautiful steam engine. There are two beautiful steam engines. Oh, the reflection is coming. So yeah, now that's a beautiful steam engine, and these are the mementos which they are going to give us. I don't know what it is, and some children have drawn this. Oh, there's a lady. I thought she's a real lady. And here there are the models of trains here. So real models of the trains. So beautiful, and this art gallery. And then here you have some more beautiful paintings here. See some very good paintings here. It's a real artwork done by children and by many other artists. So you're waiting. So this girl's a Bharatnatyam dancer. My wife was a Bharatnatyam dancer. Yeah. So nice smile, eh?
Participate in this exhibition now. Thank you, sir. Mr. Jagadishwaran and then Mr. Vishwanath. Mr. Jagadishwaran.
Nice. And a cup of tea. Good coffee. Thank you. Tell me. And you people eat ice cream? This is made from ice cream stick. And that is from a bridge from the ice cream stick. It is nice? Which painting you like? This one? That one? Yes, what is awesome? What you said?
The train is awesome because everything are awesome. The train model.
Model.
Yeah. The drawings are looking so realistic.
Realistic, yeah. Which one you like? Which one you like?
I like the winter season.
The snowball.
Yeah.
Oh, very good. And anything
And
else?
And then it's looking and the summer season is looking so.
Oh.
It's looking so realistic.
And how is the idea of the ice cream stick?
It's so knowledgeable.
So you liked everything here? Huh?
And the waterfalls.
The waterfall you like? Oh, that's the waterfall there. Other person here, and his name is Mervin. Here it's Mervin Varia, and this is his layout here. And you know something very interesting about them. Let him speak. So here is Mervin. So sir, how are you? Good morning.
Good morning.
So how is the day today?
Fantastic.
Let me know more about your passion.
It was a passion since my childhood. Trains was always a passion for me. And post-retirement, I got drawn into it and started making these. Well, my passion was there since the very beginning. I always wanted to own a railway, trains and system, but it was too expensive. And that was way back in my childhood. So post-retirement, what happened is I saw some video somewhere, somebody making it, and then I realized it can be done. And then I also dived into it and started making these locomotives. The first one was pretty crude.
But this looks beautiful, really.
Yeah, and I've been using only mount board and
Yeah, which wood you use?
I use balsa wood.
Oh,
And these
this
are
is a bar-
workable, these points are functional.
Oh my god, this looks really beautiful, eh? Oh my god, see this, friends. It's very interesting. And if you see the locomotive and all.
Yes, the locomotives all made by Mount Board,
Oh.
made by me. Every bit of it that you see is made by me.
Oh, it's handmade, eh? Oh my god, this is really very interesting, eh? Friends. Now he's switching it on and oh my god, these are all handmade, friends. These are all handmade. And it is so interesting. And see, now it's moving. See, the pantograph has come up. Oh my god. This is really interesting, friends. See how it moves around. And there's another locomotive started its journey. Your name, ma'am?
My name is Jennifer.
Thank you, ma'am, so much. Thank you. See, so beautiful it looks, and it's going through the diamond crossing. And here, there's the guard's cabin, and they sit here. And see, it's coming back to the railway station. Oh my God, so nice it is. And really, it's very difficult to make it. I understand the hard work which he has undergone to make this and show you. So, sir, thank you very much. Thank
you so much.
Thank you, and enjoy.
Thank you, Kiran. Thank
Enjoy,
you so
ma'am.
much.
Thank you very much. Friends, here is another person, Jeff Anthony, and his wife here, helping Mary. So, Jeff, how you came to in this, hobby?
Grew up watching trains from a very young age. We stayed in Perambur for many years, so very close to the station. So you see trains, you hear the sounds of trains almost every day. I think the passion for trains went from a very young age. So the passion grew over time. First it was toy trains, and then over the period of time it became a very serious hobby.
Oh my God.
Collection of adult model trains. I have a collection of HO scale models.
So
and,
can you show me what it is, And you said it is custom made,
This is custom made. So
Which one is custom made?
This one is a custom made.
This
model,
one is custom
which is
made.
a WAP 4 model. done
You
by-
got it from Mumbai, eh?
from Mumbai, from a very nice modeler called Shantanu.
Shantanu, yeah. And
So he's made actual trains. What you
Okay.
see over here is the Alleppey Express.
okay, can you show it running?
Yes.
So it has a name also. If you see here, oh my God, it's very difficult. Let it go a little ahead. So the
train
signals
crosses,
work here.
It will turn red.
So the moment the train crosses, it will turn red. See here, friends. And can you stop it? See here, it's the name of that express, Alleppey Express is written. This is the luggage and the general compartment. This is the sleeper compartment, the locomotive, and as I said, he has some other models also.
So I have the Shatabdi Express.
Shatabdi
you can see
Express.
that coming into the platform at Perambur.
Oh, okay. So this is Shatabdi Express coming here to Perambur. We wait for that. Can you see that, friends? Oh, so nice. So Shatabdi Express coming to the platform for people to board it. Yeah? Yes, perfect, my friend, perfect. See inside the chairs. Oh, the light is here. You can see the lights are on here. Here, can you see? Oh my God! And it's going a little back because we are going to see the locomotive. The diesel locomotive. Ratlam. Oh, it is written Ratlam. So every diesel locomotive has its own hometown, So with the lights and all, it looks so beautiful, friend. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
you,
Thank you
sir.
very much. And how you feel? Good?
Absolutely excited.
Yeah. Thank you very much. So my follower, thanks a lot. So friends, here's another guy. Hello, sir Anand. How are you?
Fine, sir.
How is the day today?
Yeah, very nice, sir.
How you feel?
So excited, sir.
And not only he is, he has the hobby. He sells this all miniatures, even the locomotive, the carriages, and the toys here. Anyone wants, he can ship it. Yeah,
Yes.
anywhere in India. So I'll be putting his number in the description here. So Anand,
Yes, sir.
how was yesterday?
A very fantastic day, sir. was
Fantastic day yesterday.
This is my first exhibition here.
Oh, first like me. You're like me. Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Yeah. But yesterday, the children's were filled. First time seeing miniatures, na.
And
The happiness was awesome.
okay. And very important, let me show you something. He has the train models. See, his trains are running here. This is all HO scale. See the steam engine, and this is the Shatabdi. Anyone can buy this and he can ship it. The Shatabdi, new Shatabdi here. This is the Vande Bharat, and the new one over there. And very important is, see this, the steam, the smoke coming out of this. And also, can you tell something about this?
This is the Tirukural.
He has kept chocolates for the children. And what it is called?
Tirukural. In
And-
Tamil, it is Tirukural.
And it was written by a famous poet.
Tiruvalluvar.
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 And he has a big statue in Kanyakumari. Friends, you have to visit Kanyakumari. He was a great poet.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, this is something children, he wants the children to understand. Take a chocolate, take this and read about that. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
So this is his model. Anyone wants to buy, you can buy any of this. So, see, toy trains are available for sale at Chennai Rail Museum. Here also it's for sale, but later on when the museum, this exhibit gets over, you can order it through, his number. I'll just share his number. So this is his exhibit here. Thank you, Anand.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
So friends, whatever I could show, I showed you. It's hot, about 40 degrees centigrade. I'm just passing through this small locomotive, the steam locomotive here. Thank you for watching my channel. If at all you like my channel, please do like and subscribe. I would be very happy if you subscribe. Children will learn many things on my channel. So this is what I wanted to show.
Thank you very much for watching my channel. Thank you very much. So I am leaving the museum by this auto. It looks very beautiful. Very nice auto rickshaw. Huh? Very clean. Your name? Karthik. Karthik. Some garage work going on here.